Girl T Low Key, and if you're new to this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. But in my last video, I don't know if y'all heard, I was trying to complete this in one day, and I'm still doing it. It's bigger now. It's so cute. I'll show y'all the final results if you follow me on my IG at Crochetittee. But in my last video, this blanket is called a virus blanket, and I want to know why it's called a virus blanket. If you know why it's called a virus blanket, comment down below. But I don't know if my comments will be on because YouTube has been cutting my comments off. But if they're on, comment down below why you think this is called a virus blanket, if you know anything. Thank you for subscribing. I'm still doing it, and I will update y'all on my IG. This is what's keeping me going right now, so I'm gonna keep doing it. And if you don't have any motivation, I hope I'm motivating you to do what you love to do, because I hope this is giving people motivation to keep going. Hope your holidays is going well. I hope you enjoy your time with your family now, and appreciate everyone that's around you. Let them know that you love and care for them. Just give giving a try for this holiday, and be thankful for what you get. Just a recap of what I've said in my previous video. Be grateful for what you get and what you have. I'm out. Love y'all. And I'm ready to start a new project. I'm so excited to start a new project. And I thank y'all for joining me on this journey and watching my videos and my content. And I'm having fun. I just can't wait to start a new project because it's so pretty.
Somebody go get her a knife because she got to open it up.
She got nails.
Okay. Turn it around. And that's where all your crochet stuff can go.
Hey, it's your girl T Low Key, and you know the key's in your hook. Now I know it's been a while since I've been recording, but I have a little small unboxing of a gift that I got, and I think it's pretty cool if you're a crocheter and you love yarn just like me. So let's get into this unboxing. When you open it up, it looks like this. This is a crochet hook kit. And this what comes inside. It has 4 hooks on this side, a scissors, a mini ruler, 5 more hooks on this side, some darning needles, a measuring tape, some pins, stitch markers, open this up because I haven't used this before, but I haven't used these. Oh, that's not gonna show. Hope y'all can see it. I haven't used these little clips before. If you know what these clips are for, please comment down below. Haven't used these before, but they look pretty cool. I got two big safety pins in here. Oh my god. Two big safety pins. So cute. And I got, it's like a little weight and a counter at the same time. There's some little cool tools in here. Get you one, get you one. This video, by the way, this video is not sponsored. I just wanted to show y'all this cool gift, and I like the gift, and I wanted to share it with y'all. So, yes, I like yarn as a gift. I was so excited to open this package. But I want to show y'all the different colors that came in here. It's 40 small skeins of yarn, and I'm going to show y'all that. So stay tuned if you want to see the colors that I have. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to make. I've been having the brain freeze on what to make, but I know I want to make something. I don't know what to make. So if you have any ideas, comment down below if the comments are open. If YouTube has this blocked, follow me on my crochet page at Crochetittee, and don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button and bell to be notified when I post again. Thank y'all for supporting me. I see y'all supporting and I'm enjoying it. Thank you. So let's start. We got a pink, and this is acrylic yarn. It's 100% acrylic, and it's hand wash or machine wash. You can machine wash it or hand wash it and dry normally, and dry it with the dryer. So, ooh, see the pink, red. They don't have names on it, colors, but another kind of pink, blue, a dark blue, a regular blue, like a purplish color, another purple color, a lime green. Ooh, I wish I could, oh, there you go. Let me see. A lime green, a blue, again, red. I want to wear all these for y'all, all of them. We got white. We got a green again. These are all acrylic. Yes, acrylic. Oh, let me see how much. It don't say how many yards are in here. We got a lot of colors here, y'all. So a lot. More. How many come to pack? 5, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40. Like I said, 40. I don't want this to be too draining to me opening all of them, so don't let nothing stop you. Motivate yourself because nobody else will. And you got this. You got this. Follow your dreams, follow your heart, and keep going. And remember to always check on those you love, because you never know what they're going through. Be strong for them and try to be strong for yourself. And I'm out.